welcome to Lisbon Airport. We landed on time.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are in Portugal, Lisbon, Portugal. We're taking the metro right now to go to downtown Lisbon. And then we're gonna go check into our hotel because it's right now it's almost 7. So yeah, we're so excited. Forecast is a little bit cloudy and occasional raining, but hopefully it's gonna change when we're here. But yeah, that's it for now. We'll see you once we get into the hotel. Let's go. Oh, it's perfect. Room tour. Get out. So here's the washroom. We got a shower, toilet, and a mirror. And then our bed. Okay. That's the bed. That was so lame. You have to jump. That's so lame.
Oh yeah.
You gotta jump.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Is it soft?
Oh yeah.
Out of 10.
Soft.
Out of 10.
7.
Oh, that's not soft.
It's soft.
And then a little desk here. And that's pretty much it. We have like window here with a little bit of I can't see what's our view, but I'll show it to you tomorrow if there is. If it's something exciting, but if it's not exciting, then you're not gonna see it. Yeah. Okay, I think we're just gonna rest because apparently we just lost an hour and then we're losing another hour because they're gonna change their time here in like this midnight. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay, so apparently this lift is very famous here in Lisbon, and you have to pay €6 to get into it. Our guide took us here for basically free, and we get to see the views. Okay, so we've been walking in Portugal, or in Lisbon, and this is probably the flattest area that we've been to so far. And everything is just downhill, uphill, steep hills, everything. But this is the flattest area. How's your pastel de nata?
Pretty good. Like a birthday.
Yeah. And the layers too, and the pastry. Show them? Yeah. And how about your fika?
I haven't tried it yet.
We're trying ginger? Giginia.
Probably butchered them.
Yeah.
The chocolate tastes not like chocolate once it has like alcohol in it. It just tastes different.
It's very sweet.
Yeah.
Very rare. Give me right now.
Like I would.
It tastes like innocent.
Well, actually, I just tried it.
You know what it tastes like? Kosher wine.
Kosher wine.
Have you ever had it?
Kosher?
It's like, you know the wine that we drink in church? Basically that.
It's just a regular wine. Tastes like medicine. Can I have water, please? If you are in Lisbon and you wanted to go up on that lift, you have to pay for like 6 euros or something. But I'll suggest you to just go a little bit over there, walk a little bit further, and you'll see H&M. And then there's an elevator. You can go up, and it's for free. That's how you get up on the same level, and you don't have to pay anything. So yeah, little tip. So this is the very popular Tram 28 in Lisbon, and we just went to it and then tried it because why not? They also have a bus at that time, so we didn't have to pay anything else. But they do accept cash, I believe, and credit as well. If you love reading, I definitely recommend going to this bookstore. It is the oldest bookstore in the world according to Guinness World of Records.